Hi Anil. Um, we are pretty excited about the pilot deployment of the Deal Influencer module. Um, I want you to share some details about this.
Yeah, sure. We are very excited about the feature and also very thrilled with the way the pilot has gone through. Now, before I show you the details, let me ask you a couple of questions.
Sure.
So, before this program, if you wanted to reach out to your sales team with some prescriptive actions, such as rolling out some upsell or cross sell programs or some discount promotions, how were you doing that before?
Well, what we used to do is like we used to build these programs, send them out as email, and then follow this up with conference calls, trainings, one-on-one meetings, and get the teams up to speed on these programs.
Yeah, pretty standard ways to reach out. So, in these methods, what were the challenges you were facing?
Well, from the sales team standpoint, some of the challenges were like related to information overload. The prescriptive actions that we want to drive that didn't really materialize because they ended up overlooking it, which impacted the deals. As management, folk, you ended up seeing a lack of visibility in terms of how these things rolled out.
Uh, I think this deal influencer module precisely addresses those challenges, and we experienced that in our pilot. So let me actually walk you through how we did that in the pilot program. So we wanted to run an upsell program, upselling Backflip to Microsoft Dynamics customers. So we defined the program, and then we prepared the resources necessary to roll out this program. Resources such as videos, blogs, necessary white papers, etc. And then we put the notes to educate the seller how to consume this program. Once the program resources were done, then we rolled out this program. And for rollout, we let the tool use AI techniques to suggest the list of customers. So the program was delivered to the sellers in their engagement platforms such as Salesforce or Outlook. In our company, some of the salespeople use Salesforce, some of them use Outlook. So for those who were using Salesforce, using AI technique, the program got delivered right in the opportunity that they were engaging with. So inside the opportunity, here is the Backflip panel, and the program would show up here, and the seller can engage with the customer right from here. Then for those who were using Outlook, the program got delivered in the Outlook add-in. And again, it was AI techniques which determined that this program is relevant for this customer interaction, and it got delivered in the add-in. Now, as the sellers were consuming this program and reaching out to customers, a dashboard is generated which gives you complete visibility into the program effectiveness. So for example, here you see that these are all the sellers that the program reached out to, and these sellers were engaging with these customers using that programs. Now, if you notice any issues with the reach out, you can take immediate actions here. So this is a good visibility dashboard which addresses the visibility challenge you were mentioning.
Excellent. See, this visibility dashboard gives a method to measure the effectiveness of the program and see how the sales teams are doing. And then the fact that it's delivered in line to them makes it easier for them to consume this. Now, what is interesting is we are seeing a good way to implement this program using this feature. I'd like to expand this to other programs like Backflip for Salesforce, discount program for partners. I'd love to do this for multiple programs.
Excellent. We are looking forward to rolling this out.
By the way, I'll also check with some of our customers to see how they could check this out.
Excellent.